Welcome to MU Guide. In this video, I will be telling you various possible reasons for a computer keep restarting or shutting down randomly and repeatedly. This is more common in laptops, but we will also consider solutions for desktop computers. So here I will talk only about most common reasons. Let's begin. The first common reason is maybe some fault in the battery. So if you have a laptop, remove the battery and once the battery is removed, then plug in the power cord and test your computer. If the restart problem is solved, then it means the problem was with the battery, so it's time to buy a new battery. Now the second reason is faulty power outlet. To check this, plug the PC into a different power outlet in another part of your home. If the computer works without restarting, then it means the problem was with the power outlet. So have an electrician inspect the outlet, or you can use another power outlet. Third reason is defect in the power cord. If you have another power cord available having same specification, then check using that. Fourth reason is overheating. This reason is specific for shutting down issue, but in few cases, this overheating can cause a restart problem. What you have to do is monitor your computer's temperature and try several fixes. Your PC may respond to overheating by shutting down so that it can protect sensitive components. Now to diagnose overheating, there are various temperature monitoring softwares like SW Monitor, Core Temperature and few more. You can simply download and check it out. If the temperature exceeds the safe limit, you can try these fixes. First one is increase the open space around a desktop tower. Secondly, if you are using a laptop, make sure the vent area is open. Check whether there is a proper circulation of air near the vent or not. You can also use a cooling pad under a laptop. Sometimes there is dust built up in the vent fans, so clean them up. Fifth reason is faulty external devices. To check this, remove the USB connected externals like mouse, keyboard, camera or game controller one at a time. If you have multiple USB connected devices, then disconnect one and see if the problem resolves itself. If it does, replace the device with a new one. If it doesn't, run the same test with another connected device until you pinpoint the culprit. Sixth reason is fast startup mode. Fast startup mode is automatically enabled on Windows 10. It means your computer starts up faster. However, in some cases, it may cause your computer to keep restarting. Fortunately, you can quickly disable this mode. So first disable this mode and then restart your computer and see if the problem is solved. Now how can you disable this? Let's check it out. Open the control panel and here you can see hardware and sound. Just click on that. You will see power options. Click on power options. On the left side you can see choose what the power button do. Click on that. Here you can see shutdown settings. Under the shutdown settings there are few settings. The first one is turn on fast startup, which is recommended. But if it is creating problem for you, you can turn this off. Now you can see a check box here. If it is checked, you have to uncheck it. But you can't simply uncheck from here. To change this setting, what you have to do, here you can see change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on that. You can now change the shutdown settings. Turn on fast startup is checked, so you have to uncheck it. And on the bottom side you can see save changes. Click on that. And after doing this, you have to restart the computer. Now the seventh reason is faulty Windows update. If you are facing this problem of restarting or shutting down after restarting your Windows, it means there is a problem with the latest Windows update which you have installed. So you have to uninstall the latest update. How can you do this? Let's check it out. Open settings. Under the settings you can see update and security, the last option. Click on that. Now you have to click on the Windows update which is automatically opened here. And you can see view update history. Click on that. And you can see uninstall updates. So you have to uninstall the updates and check whether the problem is resolved or not. So these are the few common reasons of restarting a shutting down issue. If you find out that one of the reasons mentioned in this video is the cause of your computer restarting or shutting down issue, but you can't be able to fix that. You need a detailed explanation and detailed process how to fix that particular issue. You can just comment me. I will make a detailed video on that particular reason and how to fix all details. If you have checked all the 7 reasons mentioned in this video and still you can't be able to find out the real reason for your computer restarting or shutting down issue, then it means the reason may be what I haven't mentioned in this video. So just comment me I'll try my best to make a new video in which I will explain those reasons also. If you like the video, press the like button and drop the feedback in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed the channel, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Okay, thank you.